Hi everybody, now I would like to teach you about the conjunction for or for such as the coordinating conjunction. How to use the conjunction for while connecting two events into one, let us learn very clearly in this session. Generally we use the conjunction for in order to express reason. For structure, second event plus for plus first event. This is the structure that we have to follow while connecting two events into one. Let us take some examples which are related to the conjunction for such as the coordinating conjunction. He was afraid, full stop, he ran away. Second event plus for plus first event. He ran away, comma, for he was afraid, full stop. Here we need to use the conjunction for before the statement which expresses reason. Then how to combine these two events into one. He ran away, comma, for he was afraid, full stop. She is crying, full stop, she has lost her purse. Here we need to observe very clearly. Here she is crying, comma, for she has lost her purse. Here the second statement expresses reason. So we should use the conjunction before the second statement from all these two events. Then how to say the answer? She is crying, comma, for she has lost her purse. Full stop should be kept. Next, there was rain yesterday, full stop, the match was postponed. The match was postponed, comma, for there was rain yesterday, full stop. I believe him, comma, for he is truthful. He cannot buy a TV, he cannot buy a TV, comma, for he is poor. In such a way you can say number of examples by using the coordinating conjunction for. Okay, in my next session I shall meet you with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.